Making a will means that you know your property and financial affairs will be properly dealt with after you die. It means that you can make gifts of specific possessions to the people that you want to have them. Making a will means that you can appoint guardians for your children. You can set up trusts to provide for your children or for any disabled relatives to make sure that the money's properly protected. And it means that you can deal with your money, your house, and all the rest of your estate in accordance with your wishes, not according to the statutory laws of intestacy, which would otherwise apply. Without a will, you have no control over how your estate passes after you die. The people who inherit will also be outside of your control. If you're married, your spouse might get everything, or they might only get a proportion of your estate. If you have children, they might only get part of your estate. They might get nothing at all. Unmarried partners, charities, friends will not get anything at all. And these might be people that you really do want to provide for. In one particular instance, which we dealt with, our deceased client had not seen his family in decades. However, he didn't make a will. He didn't have a spouse when he died, nor did he have any children. And so his estate was divided absolutely between his very much estranged brothers, sisters, their children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren, people who the deceased person had never even met and certainly wouldn't have wanted to inherit. But because he didn't make a will, there was no control whatsoever over how his estate was divided.
What we've seen over the years is that there's been a lot of literature and books released for students and for legal professionals, but there's been nothing that's actually been done for the general public. And what we've found when we've done our market research is that not a lot of people actually know what happens to your estate when you die. So this became an opportunity for us to write a book actually aimed for normal people, so it's something they can pick up and read in single service and think, yeah, this applies to me. The book's relevant to everybody because, unfortunately, we are actually all going to die at some point, and we all will be paying tax for most of our life. 60% of people don't have a will, and that means you have no say as to who inherits your estate. So the book's going to provide information on why you should make a will, the type of wills available to you. It's going to give you a very gentle introduction to inheritance tax, and also into lasting powers of attorney, so who can look after you should you lose your capacity. And there's a section for families with disabled children, because there are extra things that those families have to consider. The book's going to be available on all online major book retailers and also in major retailers on the high street. It'll also be available through our website, and if anyone wants any further information, you can go to our website, which is www.slatergordon.co.uk.